On occasion, our email files may become damaged. Before calling Help Desk, I'm going to show you how you can repair a damaged email file. I'm also going to show you how you can pull specific emails from a backup email file. The first thing you'll need to do is locate where your email files are. To do so,
Open Outlook, File.
click Account Settings, and Account Setting one more time. Then select the second tab, Data Files. Here you'll see the location of the email files. You could manually browse to these locations or simply select Open File Location, which is what I'm going to do. Now that we know where the files are located, we can run the Inbox Repair tool. But first you'll need to locate it. I find the easiest way to locate that tool is to search for it. I know that I'll need to look in Windows, Program Files, Microsoft Office, Root, and Office 16. Your location may be different. The executable to run the Inbox Repair tool is called scanpst. I'm going to search for that. And there it is. You can go ahead and launch it. Next, enter the name of the file that you want to scan. This is why you need to know the location of those files. I'm going to select my file, and then I'm going to select Start, and I've popped up with an error, and I do this all the time. I cannot run the Inbox Repair tool on a file that's open. That means you must close Outlook. Let's go ahead and do that. Close Account Settings, and then close Outlook. Now, let's click Start. My file is very small, and it only took a few seconds for the repair tool to scan that entire file. If you have a very large email file, this could take several minutes, if not longer. The Inbox Repair tool found 103 errors within this file. Before I select Repair, I am going to make a backup of that scanned file. Luckily, the repair tool itself checks that box for us. I'm going to leave the default. Then select Repair. I already have a backup file. Therefore, I'm being prompted. Do I want to replace this file? Yes, I do. And our repair is complete. That was really quick and simple. We can now go ahead and launch Outlook one more time. If you're unable to see those emails before, hopefully that repair fixed the problem and you can now get to your emails. If that doesn't work, you can try pulling emails from a backup file. I've already created a couple of backups of my current inbox. So how we pull those files? Select File, Open and Export, and then I have two choices. I can either open the Outlook data file, or I can import that entire data file. Let's go ahead and open it first. I'm going to select the backup PST. And if I scroll down, you'll see that file here, and you'll see there's 780 files. At this point, I could easily start grabbing the emails that I need and pulling them into my inbox or another folder. This is a great option for picking and choosing certain email messages. But what if you want to bring in the entire backup? Well, you can do that with an import-export, but the first thing you need to do is close the Outlook data file. Then pop back up to File, Open and Export, and then Import-Export. This is also where you can mainly create backups. We're going to import from another program. The file is a PST file. I will be selecting the same file that we just opened, but in this case, we're actually going to import those emails. I have three options to choose from. I can replace the duplicates with the items imported. I can allow duplicates, or not import duplicates at all. For our demonstration, I'm going to allow duplicates. Normally, I don't allow duplicates because it just bloats the file, but if I don't allow it here, you'll not see our number in your inbox increase. We're currently at 383. I'm going to go ahead, click Next. You can filter down on the folder that you want to import from. I'm going to do the whole thing. I'm okay with that. I can import items into the current folder, or I can import them into the same folder in a different email file. I'm going to leave Cecilia depending on how large the backup is. It could take some time, and you'll notice that my inbox has definitely increased to over 1,000, and that is because I allow duplicates. It's not too often that you'll have to do this, and if you find it a little bit intimidating, please reach out to your IT help desk for support. They'll be more than happy to get you back up and running.